Nobody cares about you. They care about the problems that they have. They care about if you can help them solve their problem. Here on YouTube, if you want to make money, you need to figure out how to solve people's problems. Very few people are going to ever make a living from a monetized YouTube channel. Now, this YouTube channel right here, 30-Minute Marketing, is monetized. The last 28 days, you can see I've made $369.67. It's nice. There's nothing wrong with that. But the goal of this YouTube channel, the focus of this channel, is not to earn AdSense revenue. Again, it's nice to create content to help me focus on my strategy, and the strategy that I think that the majority of people that want to make money from YouTube or monetize YouTube, the majority of folks are going to be better off if they focus on three things. If they focus on a strategy that is a proven method to utilize YouTube as a traffic source. And I developed a strategy and I call it affiliating. It's how to build a profitable online business. It's a 9-step roadmap. It starts with generating traffic here on YouTube, creating helpful how-to content that solves people's problems. Again, not focused on you as a YouTuber in your day-to-day life or routine. That's great. And if you want to do that, that's fine. But if you focus on solving a problem for a very specific topic, and then understand there's some tools and some technology, and you will need time to do the second thing that you need to do, which is become consistent and create consistent content about how to help people solve a problem around that very specific topic. And then you move up, and then you understand that you need an offer. You need an offer off of YouTube, an offer that solves a problem. You can be an affiliate marketer, or it could be your own product that solves a problem around that topic. Again, people aren't worried about you. They don't care about your day-to-day life. For very few people does that ever happen where you become a YouTuber and you're going to make money for people just showing up to watch your videos if your videos don't have something that they're interested in. Again, you could be an entertainer here on YouTube, but if you come back to this idea and focus on a proven strategy, you move into step 2 and you understand that you need a certain set of tools and technology to do something like build a super simple lead magnet. This moves you into the world of understanding and learning marketing, online marketing, how online marketing works, how to generate leads or take traffic and turn traffic into leads, and do what I do in affiliating or in the proven top strategy, traffic to an offer and then add people to an email list. And again, taking the time and then adding a little bit of discipline to show up every day and focus on helping people inside of the topic that you picked, and then creating this consistent content. And let me give you an example. Again, go back and understand that here on 30-Minute Marketing, I made $369.67 in the last 28 days. Now, when you take that back to my affiliating, how to build a profitable online business using the proven top strategy, if I focus on using YouTube as a traffic source and I pick a topic about, let's just say, how someone can create an email list, and then I understand that I need a certain set of tools, technology, and a time to create consistent content to bring people up to a super simple lead magnet, to add a bonus. And a bonus is just simply something that enhances the offer for me as an affiliate to make it more valuable. And then more offers in this case is just additional offers of tools and technology that I talk about here on 30-Minute Marketing to help you become an online marketer, or to help you, in this case, understand if you want to make money on YouTube and you go out and you solve a problem, then you can use these tools to build what you need to build, which is a traffic source that brings people over to an offer in step 2 or pillar number 2, and then add people to an email list, automate this, and then turn that into profit, and then think about scaling this as a business. Think about utilizing YouTube as a traffic source to build a profitable online business and scale it. I have Lead Creator. Lead Creator is a tool that I use to build super simple lead magnets and add people to an email list. In the last 28 days, I made $179, actually $179 plus 37. As soon as all that's combined, you look at it and you say, well, that is money that's going to be made every month, even if I don't make another YouTube video. But the focus here is on utilizing the strategy, and I'm going to show you how this works inside of affiliating, building a profitable online business. When your focus is traffic and your focused on a specific topic, in this case, how to use Lead Creator or how to use AI, because underneath, Lead Creator uses AI to build some simple lead magnets. So this is a focus on tools, technology, and time for me to create consistent content. Now, I am going to use the tool to build a super simple lead magnet and then add people to an email list, but my focus is still down here on pillar number 1 of using YouTube as a traffic source to monetize the traffic from YouTube or to monetize the content that I'm creating. Now, yes, I do make money in 2 ways from this because I am part of the YouTube partner program, so I do get AdSense revenue, but the focus is not on being a YouTuber, it is on creating helpful how-to content because nobody cares about me, they just care about the videos I make and how it can solve their problem. Take that over to YouTube in a incognito tab and think about YouTube as a search engine. People looking for information about Lead Creator. So here you can see I'm searching for Lead Creator. My video is a Lead Creator update. It's information that they need to know or want to know about Lead Creator specifically because they are searching for Lead Creator. But also, if someone is looking for an AI lead magnet generator, look here, I have another video because my focus is on creating helpful content about AI lead magnet generators and focused on one tool that does this well, or I think does it the best, or is one that I use so I can recommend it. People will find me when they search for AI lead magnet generator. Another example, lead magnet ideas for 2025. Again, my video is number 1 here in an incognito window, meaning that anyone that's out there searching for lead magnet ideas for 2025 is going to see my video in the first spot. Also understand that there are other algorithms that work inside of YouTube, like showing your videos on the home screen once someone starts watching your videos. At that point, though, you might think that people care about you, but again, they're not interested in you, and the focus for me is not to be a YouTuber. I mean, if you find my videos entertaining and you watch all of them, thank you, and I appreciate that, but it's not the point. And for most people, being a YouTuber is not the best way to monetize YouTube, or not the best way to make money using YouTube. It is to step back and have a bigger picture or a better focus or a bigger focus on the bigger picture and saying, look, YouTube is a traffic source. If I learn how to become a marketer and create content for a very specific reason to solve a problem, and people are over here and they have a problem and I can help them get over here to the solution, then I'll be able to make more money and I'll be able to do it faster, quicker, easier. It's just more simple than thinking like a YouTuber or thinking that I'm going to create a channel and it's going to blow up here on YouTube. And once I become that popular person on YouTube, I'm going to make all kinds of money in AdSense. I'm not saying you can't do it, but for most people, it's just simply not the right path to using YouTube to make money. So again, it boils down to 3 things. Focus on a simple strategy, learn how to become consistent, and then have the discipline to maintain that focus and consistency and create helpful content here on YouTube. That's your plan. That's your plan for monetizing YouTube and making money online here using YouTube, thinking about it as a traffic source and not thinking about being a YouTuber. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.